I'm NMC and welcome to Q Master. The first question is, give a simple argument to establish that light is an electromagnetic phenomenon. Now, mu0 is a constant associated with magnetic field. Value of mu0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. Epsilon 0 is a constant associated with electric field. Epsilon 0 is 10 raised to minus 9 by 36 pi farad per meter. You calculate 1 by square root of mu 0 epsilon 0. So 1 by square root of 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 10 raised to minus 7 by 36 pi. We will get it as 3 into 10 raised to 8. This number is in good agreement with the measured value of velocity of light in free space. This itself suggests that light is associated with or light has some connection with electromagnetic phenomenon. Another point. How can you relate refractive index of a material with its dielectric constant? Now we have seen that c, velocity of light in free space, c equals 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0, because mu 0 and epsilon 0 are connected with free space. Now, velocity of light in any other dielectric material such as glass, you should modify this formula as V, velocity in a dielectric material such as glass. V equals 1 by square root of, in the place of mu 0, you should write mu 0 mu r, and in the place of epsilon 0, you should write epsilon 0 epsilon r. The mu r is the relative permeability of the material, a magnetic constant of that material. Epsilon r is dielectric constant or relative permittivity of that material. Now, refractive index mu, as we have seen earlier, that mu equals velocity of light in free space to velocity of light in the medium. So you divide this by this, then you mu 0 epsilon 0 would go, then you get mu equals square root of mu r into epsilon r. Now for most dielectric material, glass, such as glass, not magnetic, so mu r is 1 or near to 1. So refractive index mu equals square root of epsilon r. That is the result. Refractive index is equal to square root of dielectric constant of the material. This is only a theoretical formula. There is a slight difference, and mu r is not strictly 1. Now, another point. Now, what are the equations of electromagnetic field when the field is propagated as waves? Now, a very wave equation, simple wave equations, that is sinusoidal wave equations, must contain the term sine or cos, that of vibration. Electromagnetic waves are generated by vibrating electric charge. And EM waves are nothing but electric vibrations and magnetic vibrations, vibrating fields in combination. So there are two equations. One is for magnetic field, representing magnetic field associated with electromagnetic wave. That is By. By means magnetic field is vibrating parallel to the y-axis. By equals B0 sine kx minus omega t. This denotes that the wave is propagating along the x-axis, x direction. Similarly, Ez, magnetic field and electric field are oscillating in mutually perpendicular lines. If magnetic field is oscillating along the y-axis, then electric field must be oscillating perpendicular to y-axis. That is, here the wave is propagating along the x-axis, so that electric field must be oscillating in the z-axis. So we write it as Ez equals E0 sine kx minus omega t. This is the phase of vibrations of magnetic field, and this is phase of vibrations of electric field. See that both electric field and magnetic field vibrate in the same phase. That is a very important point that may appear in the exam. Electric field and magnetic field vibrate in the same phase in an electromagnetic wave. Now here, omega, we have to define various terms here. K, omega, E0, etc. Now K, omega is 2 pi into nu. 2 pi into frequency of the wave, 2 pi nu. K, I have said it earlier, K equals 2 pi by lambda. This is called wave number of the wave. 2 pi by lambda is the wavelength. And you find omega by K. Omega by K is 2 pi nu by 2 pi by lambda. Answer is nu lambda. Frequency into wavelength. Frequency into wavelength is nothing but velocity of electromagnetic wave. That is C. C equals nu lambda. In short, omega by K is nothing but velocity of EM wave. There is another formula to find velocity of electromagnetic wave. Just you remember this. C equals E0 by B0, amplitude of the wave, electric amplitude of the wave by magnetic amplitude of the wave. Or it can be written as E by B, instantaneous values, or the average values. Average means squared average, just like RMS value in AC voltage, E by B.